the line L passes through the point 0, 6 and 4 minus 6. Find the equation of the line L. Find the equation of the line parallel to L, which passes through the point 5 minus 1. So the gradient between 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Otherwise, you'd have to draw these onto a grid and work out the gradient that way. So if you label this one x1, y1, it doesn't matter which way around you do this. This could be x1, y1, and this could be x2, y2. So I'm going to label this one x2, y2, and then substitute those numbers into the formula. So y2, which is minus 6, be careful with signs, minus y1, which is 6, divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 0. Minus 6 will give me minus 12. 4 minus 0 will give me 4. Minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. So the gradient, it will be minus 3. Now, to find the equation of the line, I've got two ways I can do it. With a gradient of m, which is minus 3, and passing through a point 0c. And I've done that because I know this goes through the point 0, 6. Well, then I can use directly y is equal to mx plus c. So m will be minus 3, and then c will be 6. So y will be equal to minus 3x plus 6. Remember, this gives you the gradient, and this gives you the y-intercept. And we were given the y-intercept in the question. So now doing part B, we require the line passing through 5 minus 1 with a gradient of minus 3, because the two lines are parallel. This time, if I use y minus y1, which is equal to m times x minus x1, labelling up, that's m, the same gradient. This is my new point, x1, y1. Then I'm going to have y minus minus 1 is equal to minus 3 times x minus 5. So substitute carefully, be careful with the sign. So y minus minus 1 is y plus 1. We're going to get minus 3x and then plus 15. Taking 1 from both sides, we're going to get that y is equal to minus 3x plus 14. So this is going to be my line parallel to the other one passing through the point 5 minus 1. Okay, this has been a video to use a little bit of coordinate geometry in order to find equations of straight lines. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.